Hello, my name is Dave Broadfoot. I'm with Lightning Pick Technologies, part of Matthews International Corporation. Today we want to do a quick video and walk you through a batch wave pick put-to-light process that can be used for a lot of internet order fulfillment. A lot of clients that we talk to have a large number of SKUs, maybe pick to cart, and then want to fill orders for customers. And this process can help expedite the overall fulfillment piece, as well as provide a higher degree of accuracy. So what we're going to show today is orders that were picked, and I've got a number of orders that were pulled together into something called a batch. So I've got 4 orders here that someone was sent out into the warehouse to pick. So they walk this tote around, and we tend to put all 4 orders into what we call walk sequence. So it's easier for the picker to walk through the warehouse one time and pick 4, 10, 20, maybe 50 orders. Those are then placed in this tote and brought to the order fulfillment area. And in the order fulfillment area, we've got a put-to-light system. So you'll see us demonstrate how the orders then are brought back into individual orders and then are packed out for the customer that put the order in. And again, as I mentioned before, this tends to be a lot of internet orders, have some smaller line counts on the orders, but a lot of orders. And normally the customer has a number of SKUs in the warehouse, so we may use a cart. So what you're seeing here today is already the items have been picked in the warehouse and brought to me at the put-to-light station. So the first thing I'm going to do is scan in my login ID to tell the system who I am. So it says, "Hello, Dave." Then I'm going to tell it, here's my batch of orders. Somebody just delivered this to me. So here's my order batch. When I scan this in, it says 1005. 1005 means that's what these orders are. So I'm going to take an item, and it assumes that each item does have a barcode on it. So I'm going to scan an item here, and that belongs to this order. So you see the light illuminate. So I put it here, touch the button, scan the next thing. Oh, that belongs to that order. I'm going to continue to work the line here. Another item here. I'm just getting lucky. I've got an order over here. Another item here. And I'm using a fixed scanner in the center. It's tied to a computer system, so we know what all the orders are that are out there, and I can work this hands-free as well. So now I can scan another item, belongs to this order, and I've got one item left in the tote, and I can drop it in here. Now, at the end, I can have the order paperwork actually print out. In this case, we've got these pre-printed, but these could print with a barcode on them. So when I scan it, you'll see this order belongs to this order slip, invoice, packing slip belongs, and you'll see here I made a mistake. I didn't depress the button, so it's flashing, and it will now let me proceed. Same thing with a part. If I didn't push the button, it'll let me know. Please finish that order. And I scan here, and here we've got the indication of this order, 35843, belongs to this location. Drop it in there, and here's my final order. I'll drop it in here. Now, the system goes to idle. It means that all the orders I had all the correct parts for, otherwise this system would have stayed open and said, hey, I'm still expecting more items. Or if I had more items in the tote, it meant it was overpicked and I don't need them. Now, to further enhance the process here, I added the paperwork, a green light illuminated, telling a packer, which could be working on this side, I can now unload this, put it into the box. I could even add the shipping label to this, either on this side, or it could print when I push the button here. So when I push this button, it means I'm working on that order. Conversely, I come through here, pull it through, here, pull it through, final order, pull it through. So what we've done is we've taken a batch of 4 orders, gone out and picked them, and resorted them out, which allows you to build quality into the process. And the batch sizes tend to equal the number of cubby holes that we have available. So I picked a 4 order batch. we could have had as much as 3, 6, 9 orders in that batch if we wanted to. And we matched those two things together. So this is a simple example of how put-to-light can be applied to an order fulfillment internet business or even customer order business using what we call a batch wave file on the front end. Thank you for your time.